Yo, what's up, guys? It is your boy from Gadget Berry. My name is Duduzo. Also, I like to call myself Dusiko. So today I'm here with an interesting video, so to speak. So today I'll be reviewing a product that I ordered from takealot.com. Now, Takealot is an online shop. It's a trusted online shop in South Africa. So this is the biggest online shop in South Africa. I heard about Takealot from a friend of mine who ordered a phone from Takealot a few years ago, and they actually did quite a good job. They delivered a quality product, original product, and they did so in time. Unlike a lot of other online shops that just promise you stuff and they deliver something totally different, or they just don't deliver at all. So just gonna talk about this mixer, which just arrived about a few hours ago. I'm so stoked, so amped. Can't wait to actually see how it sounds like. But of course, this is an unboxing video. I'm just gonna be unboxing it and showing you what's in the box. That's all that I'll be doing right now. I will experiment with it later on. So I'm just gonna try and take the seal off. I was planning to cut it, like how it's always done on YouTube videos, with this special knife of mine. But it seems like I can just tear this tape off, and definitely not working fine. But the reason why I didn't want to cut with the knife is because there's this important stamp. It's got a barcode and my address. So not sure if you guys saw that, so better if you didn't. Not that I don't trust my viewers, just that you can never trust 100%. There's a lot of people out there that are always up to no good. I'm moving on further, not wasting any time. Just gonna do things the way I know they get it done. So let's go ahead. Take that seal off. Okay. So inside the box, find this weird cover. I think my mixer was covered in this. I don't know, before it came to Takealot from the original vendor. So inside the Takealot box, you get another box. Now this one has the mixer, and the model of this mixer is XENYX 122FX. So it's XENYX 1202FX. So let's just put that box away. And here we go. This is our mixer. Now this is a XENYX 1202FX. As I said, it's a premium 12 input 2 bass mixer with XENYX mic preamps, British equalizers, and multi FX processor. So now this is a lot better than what I had. I had a Behringer sound card which had only one channel. So this one's got like 12 channel inputs. So it should be good. I'm just gonna open the box, of course, because that's what we want, and see what we get here. I just paid about 1,900 for this, which in dollars would be equivalent to $130 to $150. I'm not too sure. That's just a ballpark. I'm just gonna pull the actual deck out. Wow. Quality packaging, and it's heavy. So this is our mixer. So you can already tell that this is quality, just from the weight that it has. I think this is about what, 1.5 kg or 2 kgs. So there's really a lot of amps in there, and that's why it's heavy. So I'm gonna put it down carefully. To handle with care at all times. These are quite expensive things. So moving on, I think there's something else. There's something else in the box. Okay. That's very heavy also, so I'm not sure what else could be so heavy. Just put the box. I'll put the box away. But I'm not gonna put it away. I'm just gonna put it here. Perfect. Alright, so now moving on to the box, to the second box. It's got some code. I don't know what the code is for, but it's heavy. So I know there's cables in here. Okay, the reason why it's heavy is because this is not just any cable. It's like a, sorry about that guys. So it's like a charger of some sort. It's got a big, I'm not too sure what this thing is called, but I kind of forgot. I don't know if conveyor or what, but it's got something like that. It puts out 14.8 volts, so 2 times 14 times 8 volts, and it puts in 230 volts, so something like that. Not a tech geek or whatsoever, but yeah, that's why it was so heavy. It's a power cable. Now let's go back to the main character, which of course is the XENYX 1202FX mixer. I had a Behringer Euphoria UMC 202 before. It was good, but not as good as this. I've never used this one before, but I can already tell that it's better than that one because they're from the same company. I mean, I paid like 1,000 for that one, and here I paid 2,000, and this was on special. This is the one that actually cost around three grand actually. It was on special. I remember before I actually decided to buy, I had one on the cart, a cheap one. There was what the original price for that one was 1,800 rands. So that's the one that I had on my cart. And a few days later, when I had the money to buy, I realized that there's this one on special also, and they were selling this one for 1,900. So I was like, might as well just take this one. It's $100 extra, but it's a lot better than the one that I initially chose. So I'm seeing a lot of buttons here. I'm not too sure whether this thing it doesn't have any CD receiver because it's a mixer, then it shouldn't have, I know, but I'm seeing this eject button. Not too sure if it's an eject button or what, but I'm seeing something like that. And now I just realized that it's not an eject button. So I'm just gonna bring the camera closer now that we have the product on hand. Okay, so now I have the mixer in a good position that I can just show you guys a lot of things that I'm seeing here. So I'm seeing a lot of different buttons. So I'm seeing I'm seeing like 4 insert for mics, and I'm seeing 4 inserts for instruments like guitars, your live guitars, your piano, your bass guitar, stuff like that. And I'm seeing a lot of equalizers with quite stiff buttons. Well, not really stiff, but so to speak robust. They're robust, they're strong. I'm seeing some clickable buttons here that you can tweak like that also. I'm not too sure what's that for. You got the main volume here, so you know that you're not clipping. I mean, all mixers do have these 3 stages of sound decoding. This is low, this is low, good, extremely good, but now it's kind of louder, very loud, extremely loud. So you know that you know what to do basically. So you get a lot of knobs, a lot of buttons, a lot of sense, things that I just do not know how to operate, so to speak. But I can just show you the product. I will know how to operate them, but at the moment I do not know how to, simply because I was using a mixer, a sound card, which only had like 3 or 4 knobs, and everything essential was covered there. But now we get this mixer. Let's see where that takes us. So that was it. That was the short review and the unboxing video of the XENYX 1202FX mixer by Behringer. Hope I'm gonna enjoy it, and peace out guys. It has been a good one. It's your boy Gadget Berry. Sorry, it's your boy Dusiko from Gadget Berry once again. If you haven't clicked the subscribe button, please just do so. It's free of charge. You do not pay anything for that. And of course, if you like the video, leave a thumbs up.